So the power lightning cable to my iPhone wasn't being very reliable.
Seems like it was hard to keep it charging. If the cable got bumped at all, you hear that little beeping as it reconnects every time. And I thought it was just because I was buying these knockoff cheap iPhone cables, but they all got good reviews, and I was trying it on a bunch of different cables, and anyway, the problem kept happening. And finally, I guess I took my case off, and I realized that it didn't seem like the cable was going all the way in. So it turns out that the connector was just full of lint. I'd had it for maybe a year and a half and hadn't had this problem before, but I was able to fix it just by taking a toothpick and kind of cleaning out the lint. It was amazing and disgusting how much was in there. I put this in again just to kind of demonstrate the problem. I think to get my lightning connector completely clear, I had to eventually use these metal tweezers to clean out the inside. And I'd highly recommend turning off your iPhone before you do that. I had the same problem with my headphones where I was trying to talk to people and all of a sudden they couldn't hear me, and I kept having to jiggle around the cable to get it to work. And I did the same thing. I just put a toothpick in there and jiggled around, and then was able to kind of shake out the lint, and then it seemed to work fine after that. Okay, I hope this helps somebody else figure out why their lightning connection isn't reliable.